Hi everyone, welcome to the Good to Know channel. Have you ever wondered what happens when you give your body a break from food for just a few days? Today we're diving into prolonged fasting. Yep, that's fasting for 72 hours or more, and why it's got people buzzing. From shedding pounds to boosting your brain, we're covering 7 proven steps you need to know. Let's get started. Our bodies are like super smart machines, and sometimes a food-free reset can unlock some amazing health perks. So stick around to find out how. First, let's clear up what prolonged fasting is. Unlike intermittent fasting, where you might eat an 8-hour window and fast for 16 hours, prolonged fasting means no food for 72 hours or more. You're sticking to water, herbal tea, or black coffee. No calories, just hydration. It's intense, but that's what makes it so powerful. Why go this far? Well, let's jump into the benefits that make it worth considering. Number 1, weight loss. When you fast, your body runs out of quick energy from food and starts burning stored fat. That's right, your body becomes a fat-burning machine. Studies show that this can lead to real fat loss, not just water weight, especially if you're looking to slim down. It's like hitting a reset button on your metabolism, helping you shed pounds more effectively than some diets. Next up, insulin sensitivity. Insulin helps control your blood sugar, but when it's not working well, you're at risk for diabetes. Fasting makes your cells better at using insulin, keeping blood sugar steady. It's a big win for your long-term health. Think of it as giving your body a break from sugar roller coasters so it runs more smoothly. Number 3 is super cool, autophagy. That's when your body cleans up old damaged cells and recycles them for new ones. It's like a deep clean for your cells. Prolonged fasting kicks into high gear, potentially slowing aging and protecting against diseases like cancer. It's like sending a cleaning crew into your body to spruce things up. Benefit 4? It's all about your heart. Fasting can lower blood pressure, improve cholesterol, and reduce inflammation, key factors for keeping heart disease at bay. Since heart issues are a top health concern, this is a huge deal. Fasting could be like a tune-up for your ticker, keeping it strong and healthy. Number 5, your brain gets a boost. Fasting wraps up something called BDNF, which is like fertilizer for your brain cells. It helps with memory, focus, and even protects against diseases like Alzheimer's. Plus, lots of folks say they feel sharper after a fast. It's like giving your brain a power-up for clearer thinking. Benefit number 6 is exciting, longevity. Animal studies show it can expand lifespan, and while human research is always expanding, the science is extremely promising. By reducing stress on your cells and boosting repair, fasting might help you live longer. Who doesn't want a few extra healthy years? Fasting just might help. Finally, number 7, reduced inflammation. Chronic inflammation is behind tons of health issues, like arthritis and heart disease. Fasting lowers those inflammatory markers, helping your body stay calm and healthy. It's like turning down the heat on your body's inflammation fire. But before you dive in, let's talk safety. Prolonged fasting is powerful, but you've got to do it right. Try to drink 2.5 liters of water daily, taking electrolytes like sea salt, and consider supplements like B vitamins. When breaking the fast, go slow. Start with bone broth or a smoothie, but definitely not a burger. Ease back into it, eating a keto-friendly diet. Also, know your body. If you feel really off, you may need to stop the fast and eat something very light. Always check with a healthcare professional first, especially if you have health issues. Safety first, so you can enjoy those benefits without a hitch. So there you have it. 7 amazing benefits of prolonged fasting, from weight loss to a healthy heart and brain. It's not a magic fix, but it's a powerful tool for some. Curious to try? Talk to a healthcare professional and see if it's right for you. Did you love this video? Smash that like button and share with friends, and subscribe for more health tips. Drop a comment below. Have you tried fasting? What was it like? Let's chat. Now, if you love this topic, I encourage you to watch this next video that goes into a lot more detail regarding fasting. See you in the next video.